A tic-tac. A lot of people want you to think that you are a monkey living in a spinning ball inside of a vacuum, right? Traveling at over 1.4 million miles per hour. You just don't feel it. Bullshit. Now, there are multiple different experiments that will make you think and or believe that you are a monkey on a spinning ball, right? One of them is the Cavendish experiment. So I looked it up and I said, is the Cavendish experiment a scientific method experiment? It says, yes, the Cavendish experiment is a widely considered a scientific method experiment that follows a scientific method. All right, dope. So it proves gravity. And then I come across this. While it's impossible to truly isolate gravity as a constant in a scientific method experiment, what? Now hold on. I just want you to understand. The only way to know that something is a fact, right, is through the scientific method experiment. Now, the only way to know, right, if a scientific method experiment has been proven correct is if you can verify a constant. It's impossible to truly isolate gravity as a constant. Meaning, it's not a scientific method fact. Meaning Google just lied here. Cavendish experiment is not a scientific method experiment to prove gravity. Because, well, Google debunked itself. The fuck? So the next experiment, obviously, right, is the Foucault pendulum. Obviously, if the Earth is what's causing the motion, the Earth would start and or cause the motion of the Foucault pendulum, correct? Not so sure. I asked, can the Foucault pendulum start by itself? What did it say? No, the Foucault pendulum cannot start swinging on its own. What? So we have no scientific method proof of curvature. We have no scientific method proof of motion. Interesting, right? So we are told, right, that when it comes to flat Earth or heliocentrism, right? The whole curvature and the whole, we say that the heliocentrism just wrapped a flat Earth around a ball. They're like, no. Flat Earth just took a ball and then made the map flat. Okay, well, let's see which map came first, because obviously whichever thought process and or map came first would debunk the other, right? So hold on. So if curve and motion have not been proven through a scientific method-based experiment in the heliocentric community and or globe Earth, and then every time we talk about how, well, the globe is just a projection of a Gleason's map or a flat Earth map wrapped around a ball, they're like, well, no. Flat Earth is just a projection of the globe projected flat. Well, let's stop that nonsense. And let's see which one came first, right? Does the flat Earth come first or does heliocentrism come first? I'm curious. So I asked, right? Did flat Earth cosmology come before heliocentrism? Yes. Flat Earth cosmology predates heliocentrism cosmology. Ancient civilizations like those of Egypt and Babylon generally believe the Earth is flat. So basically, it wasn't until Rockefeller, Rothschild, J.P. Morgan, and or Western civilization, and or religion, Christianity, Catholic, started to come about. All of a sudden, everything changed, and then, well, that must mean it's true, right?